I'm scared. Oh. Wait, what happened to it? Of course it's real, but why is it always doing that?
It's real.
Oh man, there's a glare. A purple line thing.
A purple line.
It's time to go swimming. Okay, bye. For like 8 hours.
Bulletin, there's a place that meant so much to everybody.